Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with fresh, vibrant curry leaves because flavor concentrates in healthy leaves. Once you rinse and pat them dry, blanch for 10 to 15 seconds to tame raw bitterness and preserve color. Make sure to plunge immediately into an ice bath to stop cooking. This locks bright green and keeps aroma. While leaves chill, set a clean, dry pan and a small, high-speed grinder ready. Doing these steps first makes the rest quick and keeps oil release controlled. Once leaves are chilled and drained, make sure they're bone dry because any moisture ruins powder texture. You then dry roast on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Listen for a faint crispness, but avoid browning, which creates bitterness. Make sure to stir constantly. Even heat prevents hot spots. After roasting, spread leaves to cool fully so residual heat doesn't steam in the grinder. This step concentrates oils and flavor without burning, giving you a fragrant base. You'll grind the cooled leaves in short bursts to a fine powder. Pulsing prevents heating and oil release. If the powder seems sticky, add a spoon of roasted rice or 1/2 teaspoons salt to absorb oil and improve texture. Transfer immediately into an airtight jar and store in a cool, dark place. This preserves aroma. Use within 3 to 4 weeks for peak freshness. If it clumps later, retoast the jar's contents briefly or include a small desiccant pack to reclaim the powder's free-flowing texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.